2021 Ford Explorer King Ranch 4x4, $39,950. 2023 Expedition Max Limited 4x4, $49,990. 2024 Ford Bronco 4-door Sasquatch, $54,951. Ray Varner Ford in Clinton, local you trust.
All right, good morning. Happy Tuesday, everybody. It is the 4th day of February, and as we get started today, we have a disturbance swinging its way on through, and that's going to spark off a couple of light sprinkles, maybe mainly across the higher terrain, the northwest-facing slopes. Other than that, just kind of a mostly cloudy or overcast gray day. So not as much sunshine, and because the clouds, we're not going to be nearly as warm. But stick with me because we have a wet weather pattern that we need to talk about that's going to really elevate those rain chances, and we begin that process tomorrow. So yesterday we made it to 72 in Knoxville. We were just 2 degrees shy of the record, which was 74 set back in 2020. So here's the cold front swinging its way on through, more bark than bite. When you look at the radar, it's not going to really pick up on much activity. So more cloud coverage than anything else. But again, kind of that overcast gray sky feel to the air because we have an inversion and we have some low-level moisture trapped underneath the inversion. So mostly cloudy, very light precipitation possible, but warm today. Increasing rain chances late in the day on Wednesday, and then elevated rain chances continue through the week and into the weekend, with falling temperatures expected on Sunday, with colder air moving its way back in. I'll explain when I talk about your highs and your lows. 6 o'clock in the morning, our observations were in the 50s and 60s. A nice warm start to the day thanks to the cloud coverage, which puts us about 15 to 20, 25 degrees warmer than what we were yesterday. Now, the clouds are going to be with us for the first part of the day. Again, a couple of light sprinkles, a little bit of light precipitation possible. It's not going to add up to a whole lot. This kind of just paints the picture that while you're probably not going to see a whole lot, it's not going to add up to a whole lot. But the point of this map is to show you that there is a chance for some light precipitation through the day today, at least for the first part of our day. Now, for lunchtime temperatures should still be in the 60s, and our forecast highs today still should be in the 60s, pushing close to 70 across the Southern Valley. That's the goal today. Now, the clouds sometimes will limit our daytime heating, but I think it's still going to be breezy enough that we're still going to have those warmer temperatures. That should trend into a nice warm evening. Even by 8 o'clock tonight, we'll be in the mid-50s. Now, let's talk about rain, because rain is going to set up shop. Now, while we don't see a whole lot of rain throughout the day today, look at these rain chances elevated. We are talking about a soggy weather pattern setting up. Now, it's not going to be every day, all day long, but it's going to be round and round and round and round and round of rain. Now, as we get our Wednesday started, the Storm Prediction Center has put us under level 1 risk for some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms across the Western Valley and the central and northern Cumberland Plateau, Tennessee-Kentucky border. That stretches all the way through Nashville and into northern Mississippi, where we do have that level 1 risk. So not a great risk, but it is isolated in nature as this warm front swings its way from south to north. That's what's going to spark off, some showers and thunderstorms. And then we're going to see some scattered showers, but really our next big round of rain will come through Thursday night and Friday morning, and then we'll do it again as we get into our Friday and Saturday. So again, it's not all day every day. It's just going to be rounds of rain over and over, which is going to pile up. So all the way through Thursday, we'll pick up, generally speaking, about a half an inch of rainfall. Through Saturday, we'll pick up, generally speaking, about 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. And generally speaking, through next Monday, we'll pick up about 1.5 inches of rainfall. So some decent rain or heavy rain is on the way, and it's likely not to stop over the next 7 days. This trend's likely to continue through the 10-day forecast and maybe all the way through the 14-day forecast. So we are looking at a very wet weather pattern, and some of the model guidance is painting a 2 to 4 inch picture range of rainfall over the next couple of weeks. So we're still talking about a lot of rain on the way. I want you to notice something on the 7-day forecast here for a moment. Temperatures are going to be above average by nearly 20 degrees all the way through Thursday. Then we're still 10 degrees above average Friday with the rain shower settling on in. Saturday, we're back into the upper 60s as our next front swings its way through. And that front comes through Saturday night into Sunday morning. And because of that, it looks like Sunday morning will start off at 64, and then we'll drop into the mid-50s throughout the day on Sunday. So falling temperatures are anticipated on Sunday. And then Monday, Tuesday, we're probably likely to see more seasonable temperatures, which is 50 degrees for this time of the year. Doesn't look like we're going to see really any threat for snow as it stands right now. But again, above average temperatures, elevated rain chances, and then falling temperatures on Sunday back to those seasonal averages. Track your daily weather forecast updates with the East Tennessee Weather app. Have a great day. Plan your day with the East Tennessee Weather app. From video forecast weather updates to an interactive radar giving you past, current, and future radar of 2 hours to day parts, 7 days, current conditions, access to the only 24-hour weather channel right here in East Tennessee, live weather cameras, and severe weather alerts from the National Weather Service. Download the app today to always stay in the know. This is East Tennessee Weather. Weather when you want it.